Hey everyone, this is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. I'm also a spokesman for thestreammachines.com, and I want to thank everyone for tuning in and buying different units and some services with those units over the last week. I am so very blessed to be able to serve you guys. In this video, one of my customers or someone on the channel asked about how to unpin groups on the Formuler Z11 Pro Max, and I want to show you a pretty funny application that I found in the Google Play Store. Hey, if this is your first time on the Stream Machines YouTube channel, thank you for being here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and whatnot, and subscribe button there, so you'll be notified when we do another video. But the Stream Machines YouTube channel, this is what we do. We take the difficult things in streaming and make them easy for you, one video at a time. Everything right now, there's a buzz about the Formuler Z11 Pro Max and the Z11 Pro. I'm getting a lot of feedback. In the next couple of videos, I'll be showing one video about the differences between the Formuler GTV and the Z11 Pro Max. And then another video, I will show you how to connect external speakers or surround sound to the Z11 Pro Max, and that way you can stay ahead on that. I'll also be releasing some things on some other units and stuff that are really fun, a couple of sticks and different things that I found to be very useful. But right now, I want to show you really quick on how to unpin what you're looking for, and it's very easy to do. It's the same way that process that you use to pin something. All right, it's very simple. So let's go ahead and get into. So when you go into My TV Online 3, you should land somewhere on a channel or depending on what service you have in there. I am also on just a page, an international page, and I'm going to go down to Content Manager, highlight that and press OK. Then I'm going to go over, I think I could go to Manage Groups. Yes. So we go to Manage Groups, and then you can go to TV Groups, which is here. Then you can see where you can reorder your pinned groups, which I have 11 there. Or, you can pin the groups that you have there. If I press OK, the ones that are already pinned you can unpin them by just pressing this. Okay, if that's what you want to do to unpin those. Since you don't want to unpin them, you could just pin them back and just leave off what you don't want to unpin or want to pin. It's really up to you. If you wanted to reorder these, nothing wrong with that. You press OK, and you can move it up or down right there. See how I move that? Press the back button to release. That is the very least that you can do. That's all it takes to unpin a group and also to move a pin group. It's really up to you which one you're looking at like that. All right. So that's one way of doing those things. So it's a very simple thing to do. All right. Now, what you want to do is if you want to go back, you could just go back here, and then you could go back here, and then if you have favorites, you can manage favorites the same way. So if you have favorites, you'll see I have Leonard's List, or you can create a favorite group again. So it makes it very easy to do. And that's something for that anyone can do there. All right. Now, I really don't know what data sync means. I'm going to look that up. I think you can manage options for refreshing the content list on your EPG data. EPG stands for Electronic Programming Guide. And in our next couple of videos, we'll take a look at how to do that and how to refresh those things once you have that information. So I'm going to press the home button to go back to the home page. And then I want to do, since this is a very short video, I went to the Google Play Store, and what I've been trying to do in this next part of this video is to really find different applications to show from the Google Play Store how they work on this device or any device. So I went to the Google Play Store and I went all the way to the bottom here. And then I think I went to, did I go to music and audio? Yes. And I found this app. I could not believe this application was in the Google Play Store. I had to install it. Okay, Fart Machine. Now, it's not what you think, but it's pretty funny. The fact that an app like this is in the Google Play Store for just fun, it's just so fun to do that. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and open it. And it's nothing big, but you got to ask yourself, how did they actually get that in the Google Play Store? I mean, that is just really crazy. I mean, if you're into stuff like this, I don't know. It's just, I don't know how that got in the Google Play Store, but I'm leaving it on my machine. I want to see what it all has, and it was just a fun thing to do. I showed my wife. I showed a couple of my kids. It is an amazing thing. Now, as we get ready to close out this year, as next week is Christmas, what can I say? It's been a hard year for a lot of us. Some of us have experienced more loss this past year than ever before. And I can relate to that as I've experienced loss over the last 2 years. What I did not want to do is end on a sad note. I want to say this and say it loud and proud. I am grateful for everyone that has watched my videos. For you that don't know, YouTube took down two of my biggest channels where I had almost 10,000, subscribers on one, 6,000 on another because of content. And so it may look like this channel, it only has 900 people, but I've been doing this about 6 years on content like this. To be on the YouTube platform, you got to do it their way, and that's the way it is. But I want to thank everyone that has bought a service, bought a box, experienced our customer service, which is going to be at another level this upcoming year. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I won't say Happy Holidays. I'm going to say Merry Christmas because Jesus Christ is the center of my life. And Jesus Christ is the center of my family's life. And we don't push our relationship with Jesus on anyone. We live according to the Word of God. And we just live accordingly. And keep it real, And I just want to bless everyone. If you're interested in a box or a service or just want to purchase something from us, I can't blame you. We consider ourselves, or I do, the best in the business. There's no one that is going to treat you with the respect that I try to. I may not always accomplish it, but I'll keep it real. You will get treated with respect if you give respect. And if you don't give respect, I will still try to be respectful. I know you guys could go anywhere else, but I am grateful for every customer, new customer, returning customer, all your referrals. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They mean the world to us. And we got some of the best devices with the best referral services that you're going to find. You're not going to find a better deal than we have for $150 to get you on our starter pack. Thank you so much for being with us. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.